Klay Thompson apparently walked out of Avengers Endgame with an hour left. Okay, let's take a look at this word here. Apparently. This word is used quite often, and it means as far as one knows or can see, or seems, it seems, or evidently. Okay? So, in this headline, when it says that Klay Thompson apparently walked out of a movie, it means that it seems like he walked out of a movie. Let's see, what is another example sentence? Let's see that you see someone, a man or a woman, who is very fit. You can say, apparently, he or she works out a lot. So, because the person looks fit or strong, it seems like the person goes to the gym or works out a lot. Another example would be, let's say that you see a friend who is home a lot these days and who usually works. Okay, you can say, apparently he got fired, or apparently he lost his job. It seems like, from what we can see, it looks like he lost his job. He got fired, apparently. Okay, so this is a good transition word, and these days it's used quite often, almost too much. There's actually a funny viral video of a boy who uses this word apparently in almost every sentence. You can check out the link below if you'd like to see it, or if you'd like to see the entire article about Klay Thompson walking out of the Avengers Endgame movie, you can also check out the link below.